Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 5 of this course. In this lesson we're going to make another object or two, like another planet for instance. So let's take another sphere, go out of the camera, so we could add a disk to this, just something easy. This won't be very complicated at all. Okay, so that's the disk for our planet. Now we'll add some color. Let's go in here and we'll change the colors. We need to put both these objects inside a null object and change the name of this to planet. Okay. Place the new planet at the end, or wherever you think looks good. You need to make it bigger, otherwise you won't see it. So just adjust the size so it fits nicely in the scene. This one can go here, and we can duplicate the other one, and we'll put another one on the other side. You can add as many as you like. Okay, and then we'll rotate it a little bit, and there we go. Now if we go into this sphere, the sun, we can activate the glow. Although we have the luminance activated, the glow gives it, well, obviously a glow surrounding it. Let's adjust the values of this effect here. And we'll see if we get a result that we like. Let's have a look. Well, we can see something, but not much. Let's increase this. Maybe the sun is too far away. Okay, now you can see it a bit more. Okay, now we've gone overboard. It's a bit too much, so we can go back and lower the numbers slightly. Okay, that's more the effect that I was looking for. We could give it a different shape, but I don't really want to overcomplicate things. I'm quite happy with the result just as it is. We can add another sphere, another sun. We can see it there a little bit. Still very small, so we can make it bigger. Okay, see how because it's at the very edge of the camera, the effect of the camera makes it elongated and stretched. So maybe it's best to get rid of it, but I'll leave it up to you. We could maybe change this. We could make it like another planet. So add whatever planets you like, or you could just leave it as it was, which is also a good idea. You don't want to overload the image. Now to get our image, our sequence, we need to go here to render settings and we'll save the file. I made a folder on my desktop for the file, and here is where all the image sequences will be saved. Okay, this is activated. Here in output, set the frame range to manual, and it goes from 100 to 300, which is the last one. In presets, choose the size that you want. So I'll go for this one. Okay, 72 pixels per inch. And that's it. So now we should see our image by pressing this button here. And there we should get our sequence of images, as you can see. Okay, it's quite fast as we didn't add any real special effects or lights or anything that could make it heavier. So we'll leave it there for now. In the next lesson, I'll explain how to take all of this into After Effects. So I'll see you there.